Good morning, friends. This is time for the trade plan for our YouTube subscribers. Now, yesterday evening, I had made a video on the Minsky moment, and that is a fairly strong technical pattern, particularly if it happens in overextended markets. So, today in the morning, Asia isn't really falling out of bed, and that is giving a bit of support to the SGX Nifty as also to the S&P 500 futures. Now, S&P 500 futures yesterday in a single day went and touched the 20-day moving average. Now, sometimes these sort of one day declines happen and there is no follow through. Let's see which way the cookie crumbles. Because of liquidity, it is possible that we don't get follow through on the downside, and maybe we do. So it's very hard to say right now what will happen. What you need to do is to have certain points where you will take certain actions. Yesterday I had mentioned a level of 11,430. SGX is right about there. So my line in the sand is 11,400 to 430, below which I will not carry any long positions. Will I go short below that? I don't think so. I will go short on rallies, but with the breaking of 11,400, my buy on dip stance will be over and I will be moving into a sell on rally stance, which means that if we do get rallies up to certain levels, gap up or whatever, we will try to get short on the market, because according to me the breaking of 11,400 would mean that the market has weakened substantially in order for me to not carry long positions. Now let me give you levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty support is 11,294 to about 11,353. Resistance is at 11,471 to 11,530. The way I have decided on 11,400 is basically, if a 2-day low is broken, my bullish bets are off. And Bank Nifty levels are support zone at about 23,375 to about 23,202, and resistance zone is 23,719 to 23,892. And in case I have to go short, the level to do that will be 11,460 to 480 type of zone if you get a rally to those levels in terms of going short. But for that, my stance needs to change from buy on dip to sell on rally, which it will in case we start to break this zone of basically 11,400. So from here, the hope of the market showing great amounts of upside are diminishing, and that has to be taken on board. Whether or not we do get follow through on the downside, at least we are likely to see some sort of sideways move in all global markets. Plus, the moratorium judgment has been moved to 10th of September, so that creates its own uncertainty. So this way, you need to have very clear trade plan to be able to trade on the market. But by and large, I would think, given the weakness in global markets, I would now move towards a sell on rally stance, and long positions basically go once 11,400 goes. So do not go short on the break of 11,400, but cut your long positions and then wait on rallies to get short. So today may not be the greatest short trade day. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.